Welcome to the Mastery of Electrical Engineering Principles, a 40-hour curriculum designed for the modern engineer. This video covers everything from subatomic theory to polyphase industrial systems, providing a rigorous and application-focused roadmap. Our 40-hour course is structured into 7 escalating phases. We begin with the subatomic foundation and network topologies, moving through static fields, electromagnetism, and electrochemical storage before tackling AC standards and scaling to polyphase power. Phase 1 explores how valence electrons determine material properties like conductivity. We also examine the drift velocity paradox, where the electric field propagates quickly, but physical electron drift is extremely slow. Phase 2, mastering the grid's complexity, focuses on series versus parallel geometry and Kirchhoff's laws for charge and energy conservation. We also explore Maxwell's mesh and nodal analysis, the mathematical engine behind computational circuit simulators like SPICE. Network theorems simplify complex networks. Thevenin's and Norton's theorems reduce networks for simpler analysis, while the maximum power transfer theorem is crucial for optimizing power output in applications like audio speakers and RF transmitters. Phase 3 addresses controlling the static field through core concepts like Coulomb's and Gauss laws, dielectric strength, and capacitance. We look at the industrial imperative of using Gauss law to design Faraday cages for protection against atmospheric discharge. Transients are the architecture of timing. The time constant, tau equals RC, is the time required to reach 63.2% of the final voltage. This lag is an exploitable engineering tool for precise timing in devices like camera flashes and pacemakers. Phase 4 delves into magnetic circuits and hysteresis. Key concepts include magnetic equivalence, Ampere's work law, and the Steinmetz hysteresis law. We also discuss mitigating waste using soft magnetic materials to reduce heat generation in power transformers. Induction is the global power engine, relying on Faraday's and Lenz's laws. Mutual inductance allows transformers to step up voltage to hundreds of kilovolts for efficient, long-distance power transmission, essential for modern civilization. Phase 5 covers electrochemical energy storage, focusing on Faraday's laws of electrolysis and the lead-acid cycle. For extreme reliability, heavy industry often uses nickel-cadmium batteries instead of standard lead-acid to withstand deep discharges and vibrations. Phase 6 introduces the alternating current standard, focusing on RMS values, phasor algebra, and true versus apparent power. A low power factor incurs the power factor penalty, requiring utilities to supply excess current, leading to massive industrial billing penalties. Tuning mechanisms involve series versus parallel resonance. Series resonance minimizes impedance for acceptor circuits, like radio tuning. Parallel resonance maximizes impedance for rejector tank circuits, used to block unwanted frequencies or generate stable oscillations. Phase 7 scales to polyphase power, utilizing 120-carat circ displacement for constant power flow. The efficiency of three-phase motors makes them essential for heavy manufacturing, providing the constant torque required. We explore network topologies of the grid, star and delta connections. Star-Y connections feature a neutral wire, suitable for dual voltage distribution. Delta-delta connections have no neutral wire and are ideal for high-torque industrial motors and raw power transmission. The unified systems model links all phases. Power is generated through induction, scaled by mutual inductance, transmitted, and converted to motor load. The entire process is measured and corrected via the principles mastered in this program. Begin your mastery journey today.